Dear staff and students, today we are going to take on the topic of resistor color coding scheme. So we know that resistance is a electronic component used to restrict the flow of current. So it will reduce the current. That is the main the main purpose of using the resistance. The symbol of resistance is, I am going to draw now. So this is the symbol of resistance. It is denoted by, normally it is denoted by R. If you are going to the Ohm's law, well-known Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. So here V is the voltage, I is the current, R is the resistance. So if you want to find the resistance, R equal to V by I. So here the resistance is directly proportional to the voltage, as well as the resistance is inversely proportional to the current. So here this is the resistance normally drawn like this. This is the symbol, but the real resistance is look like that. So it having different colors. So each color mentioned has different names. So this is one color, this is one color, this is another color, this is another color. So first color, it is a 4-band series. The first band represents the digit, so another band represents the digit. So again multiplier, after that finally it is a tolerance. So normally if you look at the tolerance, here the white, gold and silver, white, gold and silver, it will shows the tolerance. So here we look at that color code. Each resistance having different colors. The resistance value is determined by the colors what we are using. So if you are, for example, how to find the value of resistance, it is very, very simple. So resistance, already know that I told that resistance is an electronic component used to restrict the flow of current. So the color can be easily memorized or easily understandable, by using the word BBROY, BB-ROY, Great Britain, very good wife. That is BBROY, BB-ROY, Great Britain, very good wife. And then gold and silver, here the gold and silver is represent the tolerance colors, that is represent the tolerance. So tolerance means which side I have to put the resistance. So now we look at the resistance. This is a 10K resistance. So it having a 4-band color. So one color, another color, another color. Here you look at that, it is a silver. Here look at that, it is a silver. So it will implies that if you are placing like this, what will happen? Here first one is the silver is present. After that the color coding is different, means the value of resistance always differ. So that only the tolerance will be given here. So tolerance does not produce any effect in the resistance. So the tolerance can made to how the resistance has to keep. So that only the tolerance is used. Okay. So now we are going to find the resistance. Here already told that BB-ROY, Great Britain, very good wife. So here the B represent black, another B represent brown, red, R represent red, O represent orange, Y represent yellow, G represent green, blue represent by blue, blue represent by B, violet is represented by V, G, and then W, G for grey and W for white. So here is the digit is there, already shows the digit, 0, black for black, brown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. Okay, this one is the multiplier, already mentioned that here is multiplier is present. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, like it. There is multipliers there. The tolerance, here is the percentage of error may happen, no? Because we are not manually making the resistance. Resistance is made by some companies. So how much of error may occur? So if I look at that, the error is almost less than 10 percentage or is present. So that is also useful here. Now we are going to look on that how the resistance value can be measured. For example, we are going to measure the value of 10K. What is the color code is required for 10K resistance? For 10K resistance, what is the color code? So already I mentioned that it is a 4-band color. So what is the color code? So in addition to that, the resistance does not require a polarity. So you can reverse the resistance, it will works. Okay, it is a 4-band. So first represent digit. So first represent digit. 10K is nothing but as 10,000 ohms. 10,000 ohm equal to 10K. Okay, so here first value is 1. So 1, first one is, you mentioned the digit. So 1, brown. Okay, another is followed by 0. Digit is 0. Next is black, brown, black. Okay, next is multiplier. So multiplier is represent brown 1 comes there and then 0 comes there. Another 3 0 is present. So 3 0, brown, black, orange. So orange, brown, black, orange. This is the color for 10K. Now going to verify using the multimeter. Okay. So now going to see about how whether I am choosing the current 10K or not. Okay. So now this is the multimeter used in many electronic devices to check whether the components are working or not. It can capable of measuring the DC current, AC current, and measuring the resistance values, ampere. So many applications is there, and also we can able to check the NPN and PNP transistor is there. Now I'm going to switch on the multimeter and go through the resistance value. Okay, resistance value. So now I choose them. So already we know that it is having two polarities. The resistance does not require a positive as well as negative. Okay, so I have 2K. It will shows any reading. Now I check it now. It does not show any reading now, so that I have to change the polar values. So 9 point. Wait for a minute. It shows no. So 9.6. It is experimentally also we can able to prove that. Okay, this is the basics of resistance. How can we identify the color code? So likewise we can able to go for another resistance. If you want to check the 1K resistance, by using the color code we can able to tell us whether 10K or 1K. So now go to the reverse order. So if we are giving the brown, black, orange, so how do I identify brown, black, orange is corresponding to 10K? It is very simple. So if you for brown, first you go for digit and then digit, again multiplier. Okay, so first one is brown, so you go for a digit. So what is a digit for brown? So if you go for brown, it is 1. Okay, next is black, so black is 0. Okay, next one is orange, so orange is 1000. So 1000 means you have to multiply with 1000. So that I directly put 3 zeros. So that is ohms. Okay, so it represents what? 10,000 ohm. So 1K equal to 1000 ohms. So 10 ohm is equal to 10,000 ohms is equal to 10K. This is simple logic. We can able to access the resistance value. So mainly resistance is used in many electronic devices such as LED TV, LCD TV, and most of the radios and the televisions and television transmission, and more number of application is there. the main drawback of the resistance values is, and the resistance is, if you are giving more voltage, it can be capable of, for example, we are taking 10k, no, the maximum voltage it can be capable to do is almost less than 220 volt. If you are giving very high voltage, 240 volt or 1000 volt or 10,000 volt, whatever may be, it will suffers, it will be restricted to some voltage. So these are the drawbacks we are can be seen on the resistance. Okay,